This is my favorite free foregrip model because it comes with printable screws and it does not move at all and is very secure. However, it is on the smaller side. To install these, just pull up on the tab where the slits are and then slide it onto the rail, and then release where you would like it. It is very simple but very secure. I printed in PLA, however. TPU should work if you want a softer feel. Purely cosmetic muzzle and looks very cool, while also fitting over the muzzle brake. Unfortunately, you have to sand the inside of the print to make it fit. This is a very durable and comfortable stock that allows for precise shooting over a long distance. You may need to sand it down to fit, however. After that, it fits nicely. You will have to remove the stock, which is very easy to do. I will leave a link in description to explain how. I find PLA with 20% infill is strong enough. This riser fits onto a Picatinny rail, and it has a rail on the top to put your optic. This allows for a unique style of shooting. It may fit loose, and to fix this I recommend using a small piece of something to fit within the Picatinny rail. Sights fit on a Picatinny rail and look like M4A1 sights and are very accurate. What attachments have you